Welcome to the Rasmussen University Virtual Career Fair. During this event, you will have access to a variety of easy-to-use career support resources, employment opportunities, and the chance to build a strong network of industry experts. From the homepage, you can find all the information you need about the fair, including the date and times when employers will be available during the event. The best part of an online career fair? You can attend at your own convenience from online anywhere, from your computer or iOS or Android device. It is important that you register and upload your resume prior to the event to help you feel fully prepared. Simply enter your information, upload your documents, and click the registration button. Then you're ready to explore. As you learn more about the career fair, you can update your profile at any time. Uploading your resume and professional profile picture is important because employers are able to search resumes to find top talent for their open positions. Once the virtual career fair has begun, you will enter the welcome lobby. This is your home base. From here, you can get in touch with our teams. Stop by the admissions booth to learn more about the variety of programs offered at Rasmussen University, or access all the benefits of the fair from the top of your screen. The lobby, exhibition halls, auditorium, available jobs, career readiness resources, video vault, additional resources, virtual bag, and technical support. Connect with a career services advisor to ask questions and get personalized advice through our career readiness resources. Click on the exhibition halls to see employers hiring in many industries, including business, justice studies, education, nursing and health sciences, technology, and design. Move your cursor from side to side for a preview of the employer booths. Underneath the booth slides, you also have an alphabetized index of all participating employers. Simply click on an employer and you will be directed to their booth. At the booth, you will find important company information. Resources can range from videos and career fair documents to contact information and social media accounts. You can save any important employer documents in your virtual bag to view later. If there is a Job Vacancies button, click to see all of the career opportunities at the organization. Once you view the full job description and application requirements, you can simply click Apply for this job and follow the instructions. Or try using the job search feature in the top navigation to find positions that match your skill set and interests. Click on the Back to Floor button in the top left corner to learn more about other companies. You can also quickly navigate among different opportunities at the fair, including all available company videos in the Video Vault and company documents in the Resources tab. Navigate to the auditorium in the top navigation. Here you can join webinars hosted by our Career Services team. In each session, you can ask questions and get tips on everything from job searching and networking to professional communication and interview skills. You can view a full agenda of our live webinar sessions by clicking on the center screen. Once the career fair is over, you can still access the booths, revisit public chat conversations, view webinar recordings, and apply for positions for up to 30 days. Best of luck on your career journey at the Rasmussen University Virtual Career Fair.